Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is CA Jitesh Tiwari. So let me just give you the brief introduction about this channel. This channel has been created to discuss and learn about the different financial concept, to understand about movement of the equity and stock markets, understand the concept of bitcoins and NFTs, and various other financial concepts. So let us start this uh, whole journey with your first video of a very basic concept and very important one, which is the personal finance. So all of us very much aware about the personal finance, but what is personal finance? That is very layman things to understand. So personal finance is nothing but how you are managing your money. So managing money is a very crucial thing which everyone should understand. So for managing money, there is a one uh, golden rule, or we can say the world famous rule is of 50, 30, and 20% rule, which says that 50% of your earnings should goes into your daily necessities, which include your expense toward आपका daily food, आपके rent and other things, other these kind of things. Rest 30% should go into your luxuries and your personal expense, which include your traveling, your overseas visiting, and any other things. Rest of the 20% should be form part of your saving and investment. Now, having said this, this rule is looks very much simple, but जब हम इसे practically implement करते हैं, then it becomes very much difficult. Because in our life, following this principle is very much difficult because we are facing very uncertain situation many times, due to which इसे adhere करना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाता है. Now, let me tell you, friends, if you want to build a long term wealth in your life, a huge wealth, then आप में ये तीन क्वालिटी होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. फर्स्ट इज पेशेंस, सेकंड इज योर डिसिप्लिन एंड थर्ड इज योर परसिस्टेंस. सो आपकी लॉन्ग टर्म वेल्थ इसी तीन चीज़ों पे रहेगी. Let us go and discuss about this thing in much detail. So if you can see the quote which are running on your screen, which is says that money is always eager and ready to work for anyone who is ready to employ it. So that means we have to make sure whatever the amount we are saving and we are investing, it should work for us. वही हमारा सबसे बड़ा टारगेट होना चाहिए. And for this, and it should work and beat the inflation. Now let me give you the very brief understanding जिसे inflation पता नहीं है. um, it's only about the in layman language it's a महंगाई. So आज कोई चीज़ आप 100 में खरीद रहे हो, अगर 10% इन्फ्लेशन है, अगले साल वही 110% रहेगी. सो आपकी इनकम मिनिमम 10% या उससे ऊपर ही आपको रिटर्न देनी चाहिए, तभी आप इसी चीज़ को नेक्स्ट ईयर भी खरीद पाओगे. अदरवाइज योर wealth is going to destroy, आपकी सेविंग भी डिस्ट्रॉय होने वाली है. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द पर्सनल फाइनेंस, हम पर्सनल फाइनेंस, व्हाट आर द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स? द फर्स्ट वन इज टू one will look after the person finance to achieve the financial independence and freedom. So this is very basic thing because everybody wanted to be financial independence and freedom, कि हमें किसी पे डिपेंडेंट ना होना पड़े फॉर एनी थिंग्स इन आवर लाइफ. Early retirement for job going person, it will relate very well. And I will say for the person who are doing business also, they also should need to look at these things because the energy and the focus जिस जिस तरह से आप आज काम कर रहे हो, you are not going to do the same thing with the same energy and effort after you become 60 or more. So you need to build up your corpus and your wealth to such that कि आपका 60 के बाद आपको वो इनफ सर्टेन कर पाए आप. और जो गोल आप 60 में अचीव करना चाहते हो, डू सच काइंड ऑफ प्लानिंग, यू अचीव दैट गोल बिफोर द अचीविंग योर 60 years. So you will be more financially and mentally relaxed. Third one is helping in budget, saving and spending. So this is mainly related to how you are looking at your monthly budget. Take an example of your house budget only, जहाँ पे आप you review that how much money you are spending on food, how much you are traveling, how much spending on your entertainment and so on so forth. जहाँ से आपको ये पता चलता है कि whether I am doing any unnecessary spending. And I am guaranteed you, if you will see your expense, आपको 15 to 20% इस तरह का मिलेगा जो आप अवॉइड कर सकते थे but you didn't do it. So that cautious thing should be there, because अगर saving बढ़ानी है तो हमें यहाँ पर cautious रहना ज़रूरी है. Fourth one is helps in the grow our asset. Whatever the asset we have, be it our real estate asset, हमारा कोई investment in shares रहा, so that also need to be increased over a period of time. Last but not least, to become the financially literate in order to make the most of the income and saving. So वही है, हमें financially literate होना चाहिए to earn most of your whatever your income and saving or investment you are doing. Then only you are going to be financially free in your latter part of the career. Now, today I am talking about the very basic things, very basic investment uh, scenarios that early age investor बोलिए या फिर the person who doesn't have much of the knowledge generally जो adopt करते हैं, and which is very famous also. So now idea to grow the money. Now this is the idea which everybody generally knows about it. And this idea is mainly the battle of the risk and return. So जहाँ पे risk ज़्यादा return ज़्यादा और जहाँ पे risk कम return भी कम. But again this we need to take in consideration the inflation with it. The first option which everybody knows and use it is saving FD and RD, which is the fixed deposit and recurring deposit and saving account. So this section gives us the return of around 4 to 6% on yearly basis. So this doesn't even beat the inflation. Frankly, apart from the any emergency saving you are putting over here, you should not put any much more amount over here. Second option which generally people goes is after a government bought PPF and LIC. Apart from the life insurance option, these things only gives you the return of around 6 to 8%. And this is also become very much difficult to beat the inflation. तो ये भी बहुत ही सावधानी से चूज करना चाहिए. The third option is very much famous in the market. आजकल सभी लोग स्टॉक मार्केट की तरफ जा रहे हैं. My word, if you don't have a right kind of a knowledge and the guidance, you are going to burn your money in the stock market. So if you, because here the return is high, lucrative, but the risk is also high. So if you want to go into the market, just develop yourself, develop a knowledge of related to the how the analysis should be done for the stock, how should the analysis and research should be done for the company. Then only go into it. The fourth and very very much safer option than the rest one. And point number four is SIPs, which is safer than an investment in stock market, because SIP is nothing but I will give the very brief introduction of the SIP to the people who don't know. SIP is a pool of money that collected from the different people and given to the one or expert people who invest in the market and generate the return. So it's like as good as 10 friends are collecting 10 rupees and taking these 100 rupees giving to the some person who has the knowledge and expertise. He invest into the market, he make these 100 rupees 110 120 and he distribute to the 10 people, which get around 12 15 rupees in return. And in against of this, that expert person will charge 1 or 2% for his services. So via this you are able to understand that this is more safer than the directly investment in stock market if you don't have a knowledge. And the compounding also very much play a crucial role into this thing. Compounding I can explain you into the some other video. Let us talk about the SIPs. SIP generally provide you the return between 10 to 15%. This can vary based upon which kind of scheme you have chosen. So there is different kind of a scheme which allows you to make the investment in themselves. So this is a two simple table I have drawn out for you. So this provided the return based upon your investment, which is starting from 500 to 5,000 per month. Here it is the return is assumed to be 12%. And take an example here, 500 you are investing monthly. So 20 years it will become 1,20,000. But whereas the amount you will get, it will be 5 lakhs, and the amount invested per month you increase to 5,000. In 20 years you are going to invest total 12 lakhs, against which you are going to get the 50 lakhs. So this is a quite a huge amount, almost 4 times of your whatever money you have invested. If you are lucky and your fund perform very much good and आपका अगर return 15% जाता है, then also this is the one of the chart that अगर आप 500 इन्वेस्ट करते हो, 1,20,000 का आपका हो जाता है अराउंड 7.5 लैक्स, एंड 5,000 इन्वेस्टमेंट पर मंथ, टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट 12 लैक्स का हो जाता है आपका 70 अप्रोक्स 76 लैक्स. So this is you can see आपका money around 5 times 6 times 7 times हो जाता है if you are disciplined, you are persistent and you have patience. So by this thing you can generate and you can create a wealth for yourself. So my advice is for everybody to go for it. Apart from the some emergency fund, invest and plan your finance very well. And I want to make a disclaimer that before making any investment, kindly advise to your financial advisor. And on these topics, if you require any more information, you can get in touch with us also and let us know for any question you have. And if you like this video, please go like, subscribe and share with your friends. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.